Learn Croatian shopping. How much does cost equals?
Koliko košta?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, this podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to shop like a pro with one magic question? Your mission phrase is
Koliko košta?
That's how much does cost. Picture a market. You point at sunglasses and ask.
Koliko košta?
A tiny jingle plays and prices reveal themselves. Your goal today. You'll master one question and use it everywhere. Clear, confident, fun. 2K words unlock the price.
Koliko?
Plus.
Košta.
Equals.
Koliko košta?
Also common. How much is it? Equals.
Koliko je to?
Good for a single item. Mnemonic. K plus K equals price question. Say it with a slight head tilt and a friendly smile. Quick dialogues. Repeat after me and act it out. Gesture, point, have fun. At the market, I ask, how much does cost this apple?
Koliko košta? Ova jabuka.
In a taxi, I point and say, how much does cost the ride to the hotel?
Koliko košta? Vožnja do hotela.
Online, I type, how much does cost shipping?
Koliko košta? Dostava.
Mini scene, tourist.
Dobar dan.
Vendor, hello, tourist.
Koliko košta? Ova boca vode.
Vendor.
2 eura.
Word bank, price power-ups. Boost your vocab to haggle smarter, short, punchy, useful. Price equals.
Cijena.
Expensive equals.
Skupo.
Cheap equals.
Jeftino.
Discount equals.
Popust.
Receipt equals.
Račun.
To pay equals.
Platiti.
To buy equals.
Kupiti.
Money equals.
Novac.
Ticket equals.
Ulaznica.
Bag equals.
Vrećica.
Rapid fire drills. Say them out loud. I'll leave quick gaps for you to answer. Ask the price of a postcard.
Koliko košta? Razglednica.
Ask and then answer.
Koliko košta? Košta 10 eura.
Compare. Is it cheap or expensive?
Jeftino.
Or.
Skupo.
Close the deal. Pay and get the receipt.
Platiti.
Plus.
Račun.
Smart shopper moves. Ask for a.
Popust.
Count your.
Novac.
Decide to.
Kupiti.
Or walk away. Culture tip. Seaside markets. Be polite, smile, and ask clearly. Croatian vendors appreciate it. At a seaside market on the Dalmatian coast, tourists practice.
Koliko košta?
Before buying figs. Some shops may charge for a plastic bag. Ask for a.
Vrećica.
Always ask for a.
Račun.
And don't be shy to ask about a small.
Popust.
With a smile. Quiz time. Quick check. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a pause. Q1. How do you ask, how much does cost in Croatian? A.
Koliko košta?
Q2. True or false?
Koliko košta?
Means, where is? A. false. Q3. Complete the phrase, blank, blank. A.
Koliko košta?
Q4. Translate, ticket.
Ulaznica.
Money.
Novac.
Cheap.
Jeftino.
Your speaking challenge. Ready for a mini role play? You've got this. At a museum counter, ask the price of admission.
Koliko košta? Ulaznica.
At a bakery, ask the price of bread.
Koliko košta? Kruh.
If you buy it, ask for a bag and receipt. Bag, please. Say the key words.
Vrećica.
And.
Račun.
Decision time, if it's.
Skupo.
Smile and skip, if it's.
Jeftino.
Go ahead and.
Kupiti.
Then.
Platiti.
With your.
Novac.
Wrap up. Nice work, your wallet is proud of you. Today you mastered.
Koliko košta?
And key shopping words.
Cijena. Skupo. Jeftino. Popust. Račun. Platiti. Kupiti. Novac. Ulaznica. Vrećica.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing out loud, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content from Synapse Lingo.